Students, yesterday we have completed our part 1 and along with our English workshop. Today we will begin the part 2, the fall of Troy. The fall of Troy. Just remember what will happen at the end of part 1. And when we remember part 1, we remember or we knew that at the end of this part 1, the Trojan people as well as the Greek people were tired of the fighting of last 10 years. The Trojans were being shut down from last 10 years and that's why they could not go out of the gate and that's why they became tired. And the Greek people have been away from last 10 years with their family and that's why they wish to meet their family members. And this was the end or last part of part 1. Now we will begin the second part. Now these Greek people wanted to take victory for the Trojan, but not by force but by the tricks. And that's why there was the great soldier who was very cunning, namely Odysseus. The Odysseus decided we will take the Troy not by the force but by the tricks, and that's why he had decided a plan how to take the Troy by the trick. So when he told his soldier, when he called his soldier and said his plan, the plan was they would make the big wooden horse, and this wooden horse was big enough that the great soldier can be hidden inside the horse. Then the remaining soldiers pretended to be sailed to the own state, own country, and their huts and everything will be burned, so that the Trojan thought that the siege was over and all the soldiers of Greek had been away to their city or to their state. So the remaining soldier, when the soldier heard the plan of Odysseus, they became satisfied and they decided to follow the plan of Odysseus. Now during the whole night, the great engineers built the wooden horse. And this horse was so beautifully crafted that the great soldiers, Menelaus, Odysseus and the other great heroes were entered inside it. And then the last man who wanted to be entered was architect. Architect? What is meant by architect? Architect means the person who draw the size or draw the picture of this crafting. If you want to build our house, we could not directly started building. At first we draw the plan and then started working on the drawing. Similarly, the architect who draw the plan of this wooden horse, who knew where is the opening and shutting of the horse, and that's why the last man who wanted to be entered was the architect. So the last man entered into the horse. Remaining persons burned their shirts, burned their huts and pretended to be sailed, but they did not go far. They stopped in the middle of their states. Then one Greek man tied his hands and left behind this horse, and everyone sailed out. When the next morning, the Trojan wake up in the morning and decided to go outside for the fighting. When they look, they become delighted and surprised that the siege was over. There were the burnt sign of these huts and every soldiers of the Greek went away. They became very happy and so they opened this Troy's big gate widely, and out many soldiers, the big number of people out of this gate, and became very happy, delighted that the siege was finally over. When they wandered on the beach, they saw the sign of the burnt hut, but again they saw the big wooden horse. Now they thinking, why the wooden horse had been built and why this Greek soldier had been left behind the wooden horse. So when they turned round this wooden horse, they saw the man who was tied the hands. So they dragged the man outside the horse and asked why the horse was built and why the Greek people had been left it behind. This man pretended that very frightening, and he did not wish to speak. Then the Trojan soldier commanded that if you did not speak, we will kill you. Then he pretended to speak. He became ready to speak the first story, and what was the story we will take tomorrow. Is it clear? So, do you wish to read the whole story and what will happen in this story after it? So, read this story and we will read again tomorrow what will happen with the Trojan people as well as the Greek and in the remaining part of the story. Till then, read the story and have a nice day.